Candace, and here at Tao I'm going to show you how we sanitize our rooms in between clients. So first thing we do is we go ahead and spray the light switch, the door handles, both in and out. Ties the chair where people put their things, so all the hard surfaces are cleaned on that. We also sanitize this little step stool, which is where people put their purses and sometimes their other things. The same thing as the little stool, we also clean the jewelry tray. So we also sanitize the soap and the sink itself. This sanitizer is good for all hard surfaces, so you can just leave it to dry without wiping off. However, because we use oil and lotion, we just give everything a nice little wipe to make sure we don't have any residue. The stool we sit on, as well as the handle in case we touch it while adjusting. We also spray the face rest between each client and a little handle we use to adjust that as well. Once again, only wiping this just because we don't want to sit on wet, not because it needs to be wiped off. Next up is the hot towel caddy. So we make sure we initially spray the handle as well as the whole outside of the caddy. Next up is the hot towel caddy. So we make sure we initially spray the handle as well as the whole outside of the caddy. We also make sure that we spray the inside of the towel caddy to prevent any mildew or other fun stuff like that. Almost the last thing we work on is we give a little spray to make sure that our alarm clock sound machines are good, as well as any of the handles for our light. Go ahead and clean this light switch as well, and the bolster that goes underneath, including the strap where we generally touch. So even though the bolster does not actually touch people's skin, it's underneath the sheet, just in case we give it a little wipe. And then, of course, something we can make sure that we sanitize, because we use it so much, is our ashi bars, to make sure they're free of oil and any bacteria or viruses.